Started out with 5 inches of 1/4 inch round because I didn't think 4 looked like enough. First thing I'm going to do is square this off. You can make them round, but I kind of like the looks of the one that's squared off. And then I try to bend them on the diamond, and I'll show you what I mean here in a little bit. Taper that off. Establish our point. Not quite as much taper lengthwise, but we do want a pretty small tip on it. And I do want the very end of it to be round. So I'll hit it on the corners. And hit it on the corners. And pan it. And do that to the other side. Now we need to roll up the ends. I need to straighten that out just a little bit. Beat the daylights out of it. Now we want those corners, or the scrolls, the corners, the curls that we put on, we want those curls to go away from one of the angles on the square. These are just finials on the end. They're not coils like the part was. And on the other end in the same direction. Focus. So if you look right down that edge, focus, right down that edge right there, you'll see that that finial lines up with that edge. There, back there. Now we're going to put a bend in that in the middle. Try to keep it up on the edge so that it's bent on the diamond. I'm going to put my scrolling jig in here to bend it around, but you could bend it around just about anything around. That peg is about 3/4. Maybe I ought to get a more accurate measuring device. Yes, it is 3/4. get some good heat here without burning off my ends. Keep it right on one of those, that opposite edge. Actually, looks to me like 5 inches is a bit much to start out. That's okay. It'll still make a scroll cross. Need to get a little bit more heat in it. Well, I need to straighten that out a little bit. I got one side bent a little bit too far around. That'll work. Now, squeeze that together. Need to hammer that one side in just a little bit. Can't see for that thing. Lay that on there and bend them down just a little bit on both sides. Not a lot. Doesn't have to go a lot. Back you out a little bit here. There we go. And there is one genuine troll cross, and as you can see, I don't know if you can or not, but it's bent on the diamond. There you can see that right there. Myself, I think that makes them look best. Now I'm going to try a 4-inch piece. I bet that'll come out a lot better. That one's pretty big, but it'll work.